In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add cross filters in Salesforce Reports. Cross filters help you narrow down a report by looking at related records, so you can answer questions like, show me accounts without opportunities, or opportunities with activities. They're powerful because they let you filter a parent object based on the presence or absence of child records without changing your report type. Start by opening the report you want to work with. This should be an existing report that already focuses on the main data you care about, like accounts, opportunities, or cases. Once the report is open, click Edit to enter the report builder. This is where you can adjust columns, sort order, and most importantly for today, your filters. On the left-hand side, go to the Filters panel. This is the control center for refining what shows up in your results. Look for the small caret icon next to the word Filters. Click that and choose Add Cross Filter. This option lets you define a relationship between the main records in your report and their related records. When the cross filter box appears, set the conditions that describe what you want to see. First, choose the relationship. For example, accounts with opportunities or accounts without opportunities. The with option includes records that have related items. Without excludes those without a relationship. Next, pick the specific related object that fits your analysis. If available, you can refine it further by setting conditions on the related records, such as a date range or a status, so you're not just looking for any related record, but the ones that matter most. As you configure the cross filter, keep an eye on the report preview. The builder refreshes to show the updated results, helping you confirm that your logic is doing what you expect. If the list looks too broad, tighten the conditions. If it looks too narrow, simplify them. The goal is to isolate exactly the records you want, using the relationship between objects rather than adding more columns or changing the report type. That's really all there is to it. Open your report, click Edit, head to the Filters panel, add a cross filter from the caret menu, and set the conditions that define the relationship you care about. Cross filters are a clean, repeatable way to zero in on meaningful data and keep your reports focused and actionable. Once you're satisfied with the results in the builder, you're ready to use the report in your dashboards and day-to-day analysis.